Alright, really quick one here to talk about linear equations. Now, I'm not going to go too far into this right now, but a linear equation looks something like y equals 2x plus 3. Now, what I'm going to do in this one is plot a linear equation. Now, you've seen this kind of thing before. You create a table, x and y. I'm going to plot this from -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. And then I just sub in those values for x to find out what y is. So to do -3, y equals 2. Then in brackets, where the x was, I'm going to put that number, -3, and add 3. So 2 times -3 is -6, plus 3 is -3. You can type that into your calculator just like that. 2 times -3 plus 3. Okay, I'm going to do this next one here. Y equals 2, bracket. I'm going to put in -2 where the x was, plus 3. 2 times -2 is -4, plus 3 is -1. And I'm going to do that for this one. Y equals 2, bracket, -1, plus 3. 2 times -1 is -2, plus 3 is +1. And I'll do this for that one as well. 2 times 0 plus 3. 2 times 0 is 0, plus 3 is 3. Now I can tell you that the next numbers are going to be 5, 7, and 9. They're going up in 2s. Alright, from here we draw a Cartesian plane. I'm going to use this graph paper that I just found. Straight lines, obviously. Straight lines. Straight lines. And then I'm going to count up 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to count across 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see I'm using every second one there. Doesn't matter what you use. -1, -2, -3, -4, and down -1, -2, -3, -4. Alright, so when x equals -3, this is the x-axis here, this is the y-axis here. When x equals -3, y equals -1. When x equals -2, y equals 1. When x equals -3, y equals -3. X equals -3, y equals -3. When x equals -2, y equals -1. X is -2, y is -1. When x is -1, y is 1. When x is -1, y is 1. When x is 0, this is 0 here, y is 3. When x is 1, y is 5, which is all the way up here somewhere. We could do 7 up there and 9 up there. Last step, take a straight line, draw it through there. A straight line, and draw it through our x's. Obviously my computer's not quite as good, but when you draw this by hand it's going to be really, really easy. Alright, close enough. Okay, that's plotting linear equations.